How to delete Snapchat group. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. Here, you can take snaps and videos and share with your friends. On this screen, go to the bottom panel and tap on the chat icon. You can view your chat list with friends on Snapchat on this page. Tap on a group chat from the list. If you want to delete this group chat, tap on the group chat name at the top of the page. Here, you can edit and view your group chat information. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Now, tap on Leave Group to leave the group chat. Tap on Leave again to confirm. Leaving this group will also remove you from a story. Snaps and chats you have sent will be cleared, and any charms you have hidden will be restored. You can do the same for any other group chat that you want to leave or delete. Following these steps, you can easily delete Snapchat group.